Thank you so much. You made my day. Thank you. Very easy to understand. You're doing very well.
So you missed your like the life before the marriage, or you are happy with your life like as a.
Honestly, hello, how are you?
Hi, hello.
What's your name and where are you from?
Uh, my name is Pooja, and I am from India.
Okay, great. Where in India are you from?
I'm from the northern part, that is Saharanpur, a district called Saharanpur.
Okay, very cool. My stepmother is Indian, so I've
Oh,
learned to
really?
love the cuisine. Yeah. I've never been though.
Oh, okay. And where are you from, ma'am?
I am originally from New York and I just moved to Texas.
Oh, okay, great.
Very far away from you.
Yes, ma'am.
So what
Nice to
brings
meet you.
you to Cambly and wanting to learn English and how long have you been working on it?
The main like the need for the Cambly is that I stuck in while spoken, so I want to build my communication skills. And second, I have been using this platform for 2 months.
You're very easy to understand. You're doing very well.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Is it's that's all because of you tutors, because of
Yes,
you I can hear and I can speak. Yes, so
that's
all credit goes to
amazing.
you.
Yeah, that's great. So what do you do for a living?
uh, for living I give tuitions coaching to the economics students. Yeah, and I also want to, like, I also do the preparation for the government exam. Like,
Okay.
I want to become a teacher of economics. That's
That's
why.
amazing. Good for you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. That's so cool.
And
Yeah,
tell me.
I
Hmm.
have my degree in psychology, but I don't use it. I homeschool my 3 kids.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So tell me about yours, ma'am. Apart from Cambly, what do you do?
I really just dedicate my days to homeschooling my kids and making sure that I get dinner homemade every day. Like, I don't like them to eat all that fake stuff and everything, so I just try to do my best every day to make sure they have good memories for when they get older.
Oh, that means, are you having the little kids? So you are just taking care of them. Is that true?
Yeah, so they're all girls. They're 14, 11, and 8.
Yay, girls. Great.
Luckily, we have 3 bathrooms for my poor husband.
Oh, nice. So I think they all are very naughty. Your daughters.
They're pretty good overall. They do like bicker and complain and whine sometimes, but overall they're really good. Yeah.
Yeah, I understand, ma'am. Because of them, you can say your home is looking like a lively because of them.
Yes.
Their fights and their, like, about all the activities that they do. So you really liked it.
Yeah, I love homeschooling them. They're also a part of Girl Scouts, which we volunteer for. So we're pretty busy, but it's always something fun and rewarding.
Oh, great.
Yeah. Do you have any children?
No, I'm single, yet I'm not married.
Enjoy that quiet time while you can.
Yes, ma'am.
I've been with my husband for 20 years.
For 20 years, really?
Yeah.
But by seeing you, I think that you are like, 20, 21, like a college
Oh,
student.
oh, thank you so much. I just turned 36.
Oh, really? No, ma'am. By seeing your face, nobody imagine and think that you are of this age.
Oh, you made my day. Thank you.
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
I wish I felt like I was in my 20s.
Yes, but it can't happen, huh? Because
Yeah.
we can't, you can say, brought our past back. But we can
Yeah.
think and we can imagine.
Yeah, but
So you missed your like the life before the marriage, or you are happy with your life like as a
honestly, I've been with my husband more than I was like with my family. So I met him when I was a teenager. So I really can barely remember what it was like. I mean, like the traditional housewife stuff. Like I really enjoy doing that. And
great. That means you done or did your all the hardships like very passionately. You are very passionate about the married life or the life that you attach to your husband and the
yes,
kids.